Hey, it's Craig Maxa here at Mark Jacobson Toyota. Here to tell you all about the Infiniti Q50 Premium all-wheel drive. This vehicle is all-wheel drive. It's got 65,000 miles on it. Navigation, backup camera with bird's eye view. Moonroof, leather of course, heated seats. Take a look at it here. Backup sensors. One of the nice things about this 2015 Q50, is that it still has the 3.7 liter engine as opposed to the turbos. Some people like the throaty sounds of the gas powered without the turbo. I'm one of those, so it's really nice. Take a look inside. Inside here, very clean car. You can give me a call directly at 919-475-5655, 919-475-5655. Craig Maxa here at Mark Jacobson Toyota.